Jayco Melbourne 29D for sale in Dunnville, Ontario, Canada N1A1M3. Get ready for your next roadworthy adventure with this 2007 Jayco Melbourne 29D. This amazing Class C motorhome is brimming with quality craftsmanship and luxurious appointments. It is 31 feet 4 inches in length and features a charming floor plan that offers 3 slide-outs and 1 awning. The interior is highly versatile and extremely spacious with sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests. You can finally experience first-class residential living while making your traveling dreams come true, because this Jayco Melbourne Motorhome is fully loaded with top-grade amenities. Hit the road with minimal effort, because this Class C motorhome is ready to be your next home away from home. Some of the other advantages include 3 SlideoutsThree Burn StoveMicrowaveFridge / FreezerSofa TableKitchen SinkDinette with booth seating, pantry comfort, lounger, slide-out stereo, ShowerRear, queen bed, SlideoutLots of overhead storage trailer, HitchRear, CameraAir, ConditioningTilt, wheel, cruise control, water heater, roof rack, LadderTwo, wheel master, tow car, Dolly, and so much more. This 2007 Jayco Melbourne 29D has been very well maintained. It is exceptionally clean both inside and out. This Class C motorhome is the ideal environment for creating lasting memories with loved ones and friends, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This Jayco is priced very competitively. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your travels with this unparalleled Jayco Melbourne 29D.